Hello and welcome. My name is Alex and I will introduce you to some more details about the image options of Rain Vision System Analytics. Currently there are 4 different options. You can correct for lens distortion. There are currently only 3 different options. No compensation, compensation for a 60-degree lens and compensation for a 120-degree lens. It's important to say that if you are using a Rain Vision System camera, it usually has a 60-degree lens. So that's also the option that's pre-selected. You can also normalize your multispectral image. The Rain Vision System camera usually records one dark reference image in the very beginning of its image circle. And if you check this box, the first image, the dark reference image, will be used to normalize all the other wavelength band images. This option, the correct images for light intensity, will allow the correction for an uneven light distribution. For example, if you're using LED lights, it's never evenly distributed, and if you know the distribution, you can correct for this. But it's important to note that this is only suitable for Rain Vision System cameras with a 120-degree lens. Last but not least, it is possible to also rotate the image and crop the image to the original image dimensions. I will leave this unchecked for now, and I put the rotation angle to 30 degrees as an example. And now we can have a look at how this looks. I already preloaded sample images, so here you can see this sample image is simply rotated by 30 degrees. What you will notice is that all the area that is now empty is filled with just black pixels. And what you can do if you activate the crop option is that it will be cropped to its original dimensions. I press on done here to go back. It will ask me if I want to leave without setting a ROI. I press on yes, because we are not interested in this right now. In image options, I now go to crop rotated image to original image dimensions and enter regions again, just to have an example. Here it's cropped again to the original dimensions, but you will lose some information here. So crop to original dimension might be useful to you if you only have plants in the center of the image and you don't want your images to be so big, right? Because it's a bit blown up if you are adding the black pixels for all the information you are lacking. That's so much about the image options.